We called Berkeys when we were experiencing some issues with our air conditioning. And thank goodness we did, since we've had the hottest summer on record yet. They replaced our total HVAC system, which consisted of 2 different units, one for upstairs and one for down. They were very professional, prompt, and arrived exactly when they said they would. They kept our house clean during the process, and it was quite a process to bring all of the old HVAC equipment downstairs and out of the door. And the system works great, actually. They showed us how to use the thermostat, which is somewhat complex, but it's easy to use with their instruction, and we are very happy with our system. I would highly recommend Berkeys. They do what they say they are going to do, and they go beyond the call of duty and really have superior customer service. We are very impressed.
Berkeys, we're there.